Yes, my P4 class, again, I'm back with this, with another lesson. We are still looking at rainfall, the types of rainfall, and this time we shall go straight to relief rainfall and how it is formed. Now, what is relief rainfall? Relief rainfall is the type of rainfall received in mountainous areas. Mountainous areas. Now, how is it formed? Now, in mountainous areas, we have a water body, an ocean here. Now, when it is heated by the sun, it forms, it evaporates, the water evaporates, and they move in the sky up. So when they move in the sky, like the way they are moving after being heated, how they move? These winds that are moving, the air that is moving is moist and warm. Moist and warm. So when it goes, when it moves up, it will find the cool temperature. Then when it finds the cool temperature, it will condense and form the water droplets. Then we have some kind of wind which will be moving, and it will be forced to go to the other side of the mountain, which we call the leeward side. These winds that go that side, they are dry, they are just dry winds that have just little moisture, and they are capable of getting, this side is capable of getting some little rainfall, because the wind that went there have just little moisture. So this side is going to be called the leeward side, and this one will be called the windward side. Okay? Now, that is briefly how relief rainfall is formed. What you need to know is relief rainfall is received in areas which are hilly or mountainous areas. Then we look at, that's the same, this is what we have been explaining about relief rainfall. These ones are the warm, moist air. When it is heated, it moves up in the sky. Then what happens? When it reaches the sky, it gets cool temperature. Later, it is condensed into water droplets that we are calling the rainfall. So when the rain is falling, we said we call it precipitation. Then the dry winds will cross over to the other side of the mountain that we call the leeward side, and this one is the windward side. So briefly, that is relief rainfall. And let's look at cyclonic or frontal rainfall. This is a type of rainfall received in areas that are just flat or plain areas. Now, how is frontal or cyclonic rainfall formed? One, I want you to follow up very well. Now, when you look at this diagram, you will find out that the air coming from this side is moist, and it is moist and warm. So another moist, warm air comes from the other side. Now when they will come and then they will move up. Those warm air, because they are less dense or they are light, they will move up. The one that came from the other side comes and meets with the one that came from this side. So they come and meet in an area. That area where those two kinds of air meet is what we call a front. That's why we call it frontal rainfall. So when they come up in the sky, they get cool temperatures, and then they will condense. And when they condense, they form what we call frontal or cyclonic rainfall. Class, I just want you to continue learning with us. Pick something from us. Like these are all the 3 types of rainfall. I just beg to stop from here. We shall meet next time in the next lesson. Thank you very much.